In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Note 9 clone, and I'll show you how to change the language on this device. So to get going, pull down the app tray from the bottom, like so, and choose Settings. Now we'll go down to General Management at the bottom, as you can see right here. Tap on it, and then Language and Input, and tap on Language. From here you can choose your desired language. So let's see, I go back. Here is English United States, so I'm gonna, just so I can find it easier, I'm gonna choose English but United Kingdom. I'm gonna tap on yes. Now it won't change the language really, but it will go through the process as if it was being changed. So give it a moment for the device to reboot. Okay, now that the device has rebooted, I'm just gonna go back to the settings just to show you that it has changed. And as you can see, now it's United Kingdom instead of United States, and same goes for basically any other language if it would have been changed. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.